So it's that time. It's something I have to do. I mean, my hair, it's a mess. Look at the scalp. So I have my scissors and my comb and my head and oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Sorry, that was just me procrastinating. So, half and half. Just gonna part it in half. Right. This beautiful hairstyle, it took 7 hours to put in. I mean, natural hair is not really that long. So let's go. Oh, this looks nice. Off, really short. Okay, just gonna put this up here. So let's start. I need to be really, really comfortable. This is taking forever. Oh wow. I don't think my hair grew at all. Oh, I got 2 of them out from this piece of hair in the back. Here. Finally finished half of it. It's like, whew, look at that new growth. Almost there. Almost there. I have a handful left. Last one. Okay. Drum roll. Ta-da! Oh my god, thank you for watching I'm just so tired. It took more than 3 hours to take out all that braid. And I'm so tired. I had my eyes burning. This, thank you for the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel videos and our channel and our Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. But you guys can see us on those social media platforms that I just called. I'm just gonna go and organize this and this and then this. Love you all. Peace.